Toyota has unveiled the 4th generation Alphard alongside the Vellfire. These follow same TNGA-K platform with McPherson struts at the front and an updated double wishbone suspension at the rear. The new Z-shaped line below the windows, which is the highlight of the new generation. The massive grilles have unique patterns differentiating the twins. The Alphard has more LED DRL units below the main headlights, while the sportier-looking Vellfire has larger bumper intakes. At the back, differences between the two are limited to the LED taillight graphics and the lower portion of the rear bumper, which is characterized by sharp edges. Inside, in previous generations, the lighting, assorted switches, and air conditioning vents were located along both sides of the ceiling. Now, super long overhead console and concentrated these fixtures in the center of the ceiling. As the entry-level Alphard comes with a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder petrol producing 180 horsepower, while the Vellfire gets a more potent turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder petrol with 275 horsepower. Power is transmitted to either the front or to all four wheels through a CVT for Alphard and 8-speed automatic for Vellfire. Customers can also pick a hybrid based on a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with a combined output of 250 horsepower. The 2024 Toyota Alphard and Vellfire are already available to order in Japan. Pricing varies from about $38,000 to $61,400 for the Alphard and from $46,100 to $62,800 for the Vellfire.